Was there another Grayling? Yes! Lovely. Oh, first river trout. Well happy with that. On a spinner. Right. Let's get him on the bank, see if we can have a good look at him. Right. Hello guys. Spring is here and it is beautiful, but I'm doing a bit of something different today. Still going for trout, obviously it's trout season, but I was meant to go a bit further away, but yeah, my other half, she took my car keys today by accident, so I'm going to do a bit of a Pokemon style today. I'm going to be roving the river and just trying to catch what I can find. But yeah, I'm just so happy spring is here because it hasn't stopped raining, so the river's been really hard to fish, but it's for the first time in about 4 months it's actually like not rained for a week, so the river's like fishable. I know, how cool is that? So yeah, let's try and find some trout. So today we're fishing, on the fly and spinner. I forgot to mention that before. So just tying a little blood knot, wet that onto your leader, well, your main line, so that's my leader. So I'm fishing about 2 arms length. Usually find, does the trick. Well actually no, it doesn't do the trick because I haven't had one in a while. I've got a little bobber. I got my Trout master and the little nymph thing I'm going to put about midway. And then I got my spinner, well, light set up with my spinner. Put my little bobber on. Oh, these are called thingamabobbers and they're my favourite. I just think they're absolutely brilliant. Easy to put on. I'm fishing monofilament and tangles pretty easily. But hopefully, if you don't muck it up, it should be alright. Might be fishing a little too deep with this setup, but we'll see how it goes. Oh, lost my line. There it is. The Trout master. Get it through there. Fine. You really got to watch your footing in this river because you think you're alright and then next minute you're on a slippery rock. And then you're in wet bum land. No one wants to be there. Because I'm doing it right now. Literally just had a fish on. I was stepping over this rock and it was splashing about over there. I don't believe it, I missed it. But that tells me they'll go for this, which is good. Can't believe I missed that fish. That tells me there's fish here. That's good. I can't believe I missed that. I'm absolutely gutted. It was literally just splashing about here. I missed it. What a beautiful spot though. I can't believe I've never fished this before. I've never seen it. No, to be fair, never had the waders. I can't believe I missed that fish. It's the first river fish I've had on in a very long time. That's making me hopeful. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't even care if I don't catch a fish today. This is just an enchanting spot. But fish would be nice. Come on, fishy. I can't believe I just had one before and I missed it. Fish splash, see? They are here. Beautiful. Gotta be ever so sneaky. Sneaky beaky. Fish on! Yes! Oh. Oh. Missed like 3 fish, but I'm gonna head a bit further upstream. So I spent like 2 hours in that spot trying to get the fish out, but it's just not happening. But I don't know, that makes me think they were taken on the strip, not the actual float by with the bobber. I wonder if they're chasing, but the weather's changed a bit now, the sun's gone away. And yeah, it's overcast now, so it might change, but we'll see. So I've just still got my little lure on. I changed to a rubber grub and they're checking. But yeah, I'm really hopeful we can try and get a fish, because that'd be good. Right, back to it, different spot. Fish on. What is it? Is that a Grayling? Oh, look, an out-of-season Grayling. Sorry, buddy. And away he goes. Oh, I think I missed the film. Well, it was the first fish of the day, and it was an out-of-season Grayling, and I'm really sorry because I didn't realise I repositioned my camera, so you got all that crappy footage. But it was probably about a pound, but didn't even fight, which is really unusual for a Grayling. Don't know if it's time of year, but yeah. See if we can get another fish. Just tangled up my line, so retying and we'll get back out there. Stuck in the bog, the brick bit. Hopefully be a nice trout about somewhere. I'm determined I'm going to get a trout today. I've had a Grayling, I've missed 3 bites. Just swapped like a silver fox thing. No. Ooh. There's some really nice pools in this place, but when you're wading through it I can't really see. Oh yeah, on the spinner. Is it a nice trout? Is there another Grayling? Yes! Lovely. Oh, first river trout. Well happy with that. On the spinner. Right. Let's get him on the bank, see if we can have a good look at him. He's not a monster, but that is my first little brownie of the season. I'm so happy. Look at him. He is a beautiful little fish. Wild brownie, beautiful little spots. What a treat. Anyway, let's get him back. I think Mr. Trout's ready to leave. So there he goes. Bye bye, little fella. Yeah, he zoomed off. Ah, on the spinner. Epic. I'm a bit gutted really, because my GoPro stopped working for some reason. I think the battery's a bit of moisture's gotten it, it's playing up with it a bit, so I don't really want to play it anymore. I just caught this other beautiful trout on the spinner. A bit bigger than the last one actually. Really nice one though. Ah, beautiful. Should we get him released, I think? Yeah. And away he goes. Nice. Hey guys, I couldn't leave the video there. So this is the week after. Still on my light spinning setup. My missus has graciously given me an hour or two to see if I can get a fish. So hopefully back on the spinner, and the river actually hasn't rose, and it's about a week later, so it actually hasn't rose during that time. But I got about an hour or two before the rain comes, and it's going to be raining for about a week, the forecast suggests. So I'm going to try and make the most of it, and hopefully we can get a fish on. Oh, fish on. Yeah. Oh, and it's off. Right under that tree. That was a good fish as well. Damn. 3 takes and a miss. I wonder if the hooks are not very good on this. Yeah, they feel sharp, but that was a good fish as well. Damn. Oh shit, no. Yeah, so they're hiding under the trees, that tells me. Oh, it's good fish. Yeah, I might have just exhausted that spot, but okay, that tells me undergrowth. Oh, was a risky shot though. That was a very I'm gonna snag into that shot. Yeah, like that. But it seems to be playing a trick for me lately. Yeah, I think I've just exhausted this swim. I think that fish would have spooked off all the rest. I'm probably going to do something very stupid now, because that last fish was underneath a tree. possibly one underneath there, but I'm gonna have to get in. There's a very steep drop, and we've got a lot of room to get up. And it's not about getting in there, it's getting out. There's a lot of stingy nettles. Oh, I'm just gonna have to go for it. You dares, rodders, you dares. Please don't be any way to kill us. Yeah, we can do this. Right, come on, Mr. Trout. No, snag. Yeah, good at getting out snags though. I mean, not caught you fish, but I've got out some really tricky snags. I feel like I'm gonna, hello, donate a spinner to the river though. Oh, fish on. Oh, he come off again. Is this spinner blunt? It's not great. I think that's why I'm missing a lot of bites. That's second fish I proper had on. Might be due a change up. Might have to change spinner because that has just lost me another fish. Just looked in my little spinner box and yeah, I've just looked in my little spinner box and this one's brand new. It's a little like minnow trout pattern, so that actually might work in these chin clear waters. It's brand new because it still had the plastic sleeves on the hooks, debarbed them. And, yeah, see if this one can work the magic, because I haven't got long left now because I've left my partner with my son, so she might be getting pretty angsty about where I am right now. It's been about an hour, well, definitely been over an hour, so I have to pack it in a minute. Hopefully this one will work at the magic. And try this little lab who could see a spinner over there. Oh, so the water's actually really low. It's just clear as anything there, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's a follow. That was a follow. I could see a trout out there. I don't know if you could see that, but I could see it. I had a follow. There's a fish out there. You probably see me and I spooked it. But that was definitely a follow. I seen it. Come on. Oh, fish on. Oh, yes. Don't come off, don't come off. Oh, he's fighting. What is it? Is that Grayling? Oh, not another Grayling. It's a Grayling! Where's my net? Where's my net? Oh, you were kidding. I never had a grayling on a spinner before, though. Oh, God. I don't know where my net is. Oh, God. Right, I'm going to have to leave it here on the... Yeah, I got my mat, so I'm going to have to leave him there. Ooh-wee. Unless I can unhook him here. What a beauty. Beautiful grayling there. Out of season now, goddamn. Right. Hey. I know. Oh, come out. Beautiful grayling though. Absolute clunker. And away goes the grayling. Okay. Right, I think that's all the time I'm going to get today. Yeah, that's an interesting one. I went for trout. I've probably got the equal amount of grayling to trout. Of course, grayling are out of season at the moment, as course fishing is not allowed till I think it's about June or July. I'm fishing on the River Severn, so it's about then. But yeah, I did get some trout, had some fish on, and the rain is back, so it's probably going to be a couple of weeks before I can come back on the river, because yeah, it'll start to raise again. I don't think it's going to hold off for a day or two. I think it's going to be raining for a week, so the river's going to come up quite considerably. But yeah, I think I'm going to order some more size 2 spinners, because I've treed a few, and well, got some fish, got some action. I've had a hell of a good time. Tested out my new Fox Rage waders. Got some strange looks from people in town walking across, but hey ho. Yeah, till next time.